What's up everybody, Caesar Beavers here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an album cover in Procreate. Alright, so first I want to show you the canvas size that most distributors use, and that's 3000 by 3000 pixel with 300 DPI. There are other distributors that require like 1800 by 1800, but most of them is 3000 by 3000 with 300 DPI. DPI is dots per inch. Alright, now that we got a canvas, I'm going to show you what I use to rough sketch out. Sometimes I'll use a sketching pencil brush, but I like to use the soft brush. And that's what I'll be using to sketch out this piece. Alright, first we're going to start sketching. I've decided to do a skeleton at a table writing raps with a lamp and an angel outside of the window because that's kind of what the client described to me that they wanted. So first we're going to rough sketch out everything. It doesn't have to be perfect. And do all this on one layer. Alright, for now, for the liner, to actually lay the lines down, we're going to use the technical pen right here. And also, if you haven't already, turn the streamline all the way up so there's no jitteriness of the lines. Alright, so we're going to start outlining. And even here, if you don't think it's perfect, you can go back over it with a new layer. And sometimes I will draw other things on different layers so I can erase certain parts out. Like I drew that lamp on a different layer and the table. So when it came time, I erased out what I wanted. If you have any questions, drop them below, and I'll try my best to answer them. And we're just gonna have fun here. I'm gonna try some different light sources and whatnot. There's a fabric brush that I used for the vest, and with that angel, what we did, we drew it, and then I copied it and pasted it and turned the blur on. And that's pretty much it, guys. It was a quick one. I know the time lapse goes by fast. But hey, that's what I'm here to answer questions for, you know. And all these colors I'll do on different layers so I can fix them and correct them as needed. Then when I get done, I'll merge them down. Then just pick a font. There you have it. There's your album cover, drew in Procreate. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of upcoming videos.